Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have a clean numerical column. Start immediately by selecting the first empty cell next to the numbers. Enter the rank, EC or rank, AVG function based on how you want ties handled. For descending rank, use rank. EC number, range 0. For ascending, change the last argument to 1. If you plan to break ties, combine rank with countifs or add a tiny unique offset. Once done, press Enter and prepare to copy the formula down to all rows to get initial ranks. Now refine results. If ties must be given unique sequential ranks, wrap rank. EQ with countifs that counts prior identical values, so each duplicate increments. Make sure to fix the range with absolute references like $1.02, $100, or convert the range into an Excel table and use structured references for dynamic behavior. Once the formula returns correct results for the first few rows, drag fill or double-click the fill handle to populate all rows. Finish by converting formulas to values if you need static ranks before sorting. Copy the rank column and paste special values. Make sure numbers aren't stored as text. Trim leading spaces and coerce strings to numbers if necessary. If ranks look off after sorting, restore original order, then reapply formulas using absolute ranges. If duplicates still misbehave, revise the countifs tiebreaker. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify the referenced range includes every cell you intend to rank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.